Hi, I'm Andrew Dew. Today is our first day of training plan and we're gonna train back and abs. This is our first day of training plan that we're gonna do across the week. I did a 10-minute warm-up and stretching because it's really important for the blood flow, for flexibility, and prevents injuries. The first exercise we're gonna do is pull-ups. We're gonna do 4 sets, 10 to 15 reps. I do them body weight because I can focus more. If I do weighted, I can't do proper form, so it's no point doing weighted if I don't do proper form. After pull-ups, we're gonna do pull-downs on the cable machine. We're gonna do, again, 4 sets, but we're gonna do drop sets as well. So we're gonna do the first set 10 to 12 reps, a little bit heavy, and then we're gonna drop set halfway through, and we're gonna do 5 to 8 reps more. At the moment, I want to get my back and my lats wider so I can have the symmetry and aesthetic look, because I think I've got the thickness in my back, but I just need the width. Then we did T-bar row. Again, we did 4 sets, but the first 2 sets we did it between 12 and 15 reps. Then we increased the weight a little bit heavy, then we drop set them, and then 50% of that weight off, and then we did between 8 and 10 reps more. The best form for me is keeping my elbow in and my back straight, and squeeze every rep, hold it for 2 seconds, and then let it go slowly. After this, we did cable row. We did 2 sets, keeping your back straight and your elbows next to the body. And make sure you don't lean back. Superset with cable bar pullover. Most of the time I like high intensity training because I can burn more calories and I get a better pump from doing supersets or drop sets. This works for me. That's why I do most of them. They are supersets and drop sets because I like the intensity and the pump. I get a better pump doing this. I train abs every 2 days. First exercise we do is leg raises, 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps. Sometimes I can even get a dumbbell between my legs and do weighted leg raises. Sometimes I do knee raises, depends, I just mix them up. Most of the time I train one big group of muscle with one small group of muscle. And then we moved on the cable crunches. We did 4 sets of 10 to 12 reps. I like to do this a little bit heavy so I can get a squeeze. You can really feel the weight on your abs when you squeeze them. This is not the only abs routine that I'm doing. Next time I'm gonna do something else. That's it for today, guys. We had a great back and abs workout. Make sure you come back tomorrow because we're gonna do a big chest workout.